Welcome to another tutorial of ANSYS APDL 2018. In this video we will gonna see that how we model and mesh a brick masonry wall in ANSYS APDL by using macro bonding technique. So I have a wall in front of me, and if you see its cross section, it consists of 10 bricks in horizontal layers and 10 courses of bricks in vertical layer. So if you see that this is a wall, I have a brick masonry wall, so I will be creating the same model of brick masonry in the ANSYS APDL using the macro modeling technique. So for this I will go and open my ANSYS APDL, and first of all I will select the element element type. So I have already selected my element type as solid 65 for the brick masonry. Now I will go to simple preprocessor, and here I will go to simply modeling. So for the macro modeling, basically we have two different techniques. One is that we create a individual brick, then copy paste it in horizontal direction, and then copy paste it in vertical direction, and after that apply meshing, and after that use a contact pair to establish a coefficient of friction between the different surfaces of elements. But I would be adopting a different approach. I would just create a single rectangle by using the area and by two corners, and I will be simply put my coordinates. What I will do, I will simply create a big rectangle of 2.28 meter by 0.76 meter. So I will divide this rectangle into 10 horizontal bricks and then vertical courses of the bricks. We will see how we do this. So I have drawn a rectangle by using the area. Now I will convert my area into the volume. For this I will go to operate and go to extrude. After going to the extrude, I will simply click on area and I will extrude it along the normal. I will select the area and apply. Now I will apply the length of extrusion. So whatever the length, whatever the thickness of your brick is, you can apply it. So I am considering a thickness of 0.114 meter of my whole brick wall, and now I have applied. Now you can see that it has been converted into the volume. Now after this I will simply close this modeling menu and I will go to meshing. After going to the meshing, I will go to size controls. Here in the size control I have an option of manual size, and the manual size I will go to the lines, and in the line I will go to the picked lines. So what I will be doing, I will convert these longitudinal lines and these transverse lines into 10 parts. So I will be selecting this line, I will be selecting this line, I would be selecting this line, I would be selecting a line behind this, I would be selecting this, and I will be selecting this. So I will select this and I will select this. Now I have selected 8 lines total. I have 12 lines. One line is this remaining, one this line small line, one this small line is remaining, and one this small line is remaining. So I will simply go to apply, and here in the apply I will simply divide it in 10 divisions. So I will go and click on OK. So now these lines are divided in, if I plot these lines, so you can see that this line is a single unit, but these lines are now divided into 10 equal parts. Now what I will be doing, I will go again plot the elements, and now I will again pick the lines which I not picked in my last step. So these 4 was the lines that I did not pick up, and now I have picked these 4 lines and will apply. Now for the macro modeling, so creating a single brick unit, I will simply select these lines and I would not divide these lines into any further units. So now if I plot the lines, and you can see that these lines are created, have been divided into 10 equal parts, and these smaller lines are still a single unit. So after selecting my line sizes, now what I will do, I will simply go to the mesh tool and I will simply go to the mesh and I will simply mesh my volume. So I have a single volume, I will mesh it. So now you can see that my brick wall is prepared. It contains 10 bricks. If I see the front view of it, so it contains 10 bricks in the horizontal direction and a similar in the pattern in the vertical direction. And if you see that it's isometric view, so it's, you can see that this is our wall, and I have just first of all I created a rectangle using the modeling, and after that I just simply using the meshing I created these bricks. But I can also create one individual brick like this, then copy these bricks in this direction, and then copy this whole course in the vertical direction. So after that I will create mesh it, then I will mesh it, and after the meshing then I will create a contact pair in order to create a friction between the surfaces of different elements. But I have as I said that I have used a different approach. So this was our video that how we model and mesh a brick masonry wall in ANSYS APDL. So this is the same wall which I just created in the SketchUp. So you can see that this is the same wall I have made it the ANSYS APDL. So if you have any confusion, you can comment me below.